Hey everyone, my name is Scottie and today I'm going to show you how to draw noses. Really simple, easy steps. I'm coming from the park, thought it'd be nice to get outside. Okay, so first I'm going to draw really simple construction to show you the basic shapes. Okay, so when I'm thinking about a nose, these are the basic planes. If the light was coming down from this direction, there'd be a bit of shadow here. So now I'm drawing it at an angle. It's basic construction. This nose would come down. And then if I was drawing it from the side, you'd have this angle from the brow down and then back out to the point of the nose, the plane underneath, a bit like that. All right, so the next thing I wanted to show is a bit more of the structure of the nose. So I usually like to draw the little nostril wings like this. In the middle here is a shape like this, something like that, and it changes depending on the person. And then I'd also draw where the brow is up there, and then I would draw the nostrils in this shape. So I'm not drawing just circles, it has a little downwards slope and then goes across to the nostril. Okay, so this is the front view reference, and I always start with the side nostrils, and that helps me determine the width of the nose. Thinking about imagining that shape in the middle, to work out that shape I draw the two little lines which border on the edge of that shape, and then I draw the next line which is a bit darker. The next step is to do some support lines, and then because we're looking at that, to describe the top of that shape, so I put some little indicator lines here to show that shape, and then up here where the eye and the brow come towards the nose. Now I add a bit of shadow, so I would put shadow mainly on the bottom, just like that, a bit in there, and then across the top and where it's the top of the nose there. So when I'm drawing figures, I tend to keep it really simple, just draw like two little lines. It looks a bit strange out of context without the eyes or anything, but that sometimes can be enough. Okay, so now for the 3/4 view, I'll still start at the bottom. Yes, draw the side, that's the left side of the nostril. And then I'll try and work out that very tip of the nose, how far it comes out. And then imagining that this nose, you can see it's quite prominent, this shape on the end of the nose. I'll imagine that I'm outlining a bit there. This second line for the nostril, then some more support lines. I'm drawing a little bit messy because of the angle of the sketchbook at the moment. This nose had a lot of shadow on this side. It's really dark around here, around that red shape. So if I wanted to draw this small, I would also start with the width of the nose, other side, so you can see the width. And then I'll draw the little line here with a slightly different angle. Okay, the final nose is the side view nose, brow about there. So then we'll do the width of the nose. So that is the 3 points to help me do all the details. Got that little change of direction where her shape is a bit smaller, comes down like this. And then her support lines, some details there. Bit of shadow up there on the bottom of the nose, around this area. And then I'll blend this out around that red shape. So I hope that's been helpful if you struggle drawing noses. If you also struggle with drawing eyes, I've got a video here where I go through it step by step. It's really helpful if you draw portraits or if you draw figures where eyes are quite small and you want to draw them in a simple way.